iPhone XR, and let me show you how to reset network settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's swipe up to unlock the screen, then find and select the settings. Here we need to find and select General, then scroll down and tap Reset. From the following options, let's choose Reset Network Settings. This will delete all network settings, returning them to factory defaults. So it will reset the Wi-Fi settings, cellular data and Bluetooth. If you are aware of this, let's choose Reset Network Settings. The device is restarting, let's wait a few seconds. And that's it, the home screen just pops up, so now you can unlock the screen and start using your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.